Okay, so here's a mural that I did on the exterior of a bar in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. As you can see, it's got quite a bit of detail if you look closely. Of course, I'm taking a photograph. I'm taking this video with my iPhone, looking at my computer monitor. So unfortunately, it's not the best of quality. Still gives you an idea of you know, the design and the color, basic composition of the piece. And see, I've got quite a bit of detail in here. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're ever on the Oakland Park and A1A in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, go to 33rd Street and you can't miss it. You can say hello to Ollie the octopus. Okay. Talk to you later.